Hello friends, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel Jobs at Punyanagari. Today's topic is DAX. So what is DAX? The full form of DAX is Data Analysis Expression. So basically it is a collection of function, operators or constants that can be used in a formula or expression to calculate and return one or more values. DAX helps us to create new information from data already we have in our model. So second question is why is DAX so important? So it's easy to create new Power BI desktop file and import some data into it. We can even create reports that show valuable insights without using DAX formulas. But what if we need to analyze growth percentage across product categories and for different date ranges? This time we need to calculate year over year growth compared to market trends. Here, DAX formulas provide this capability and many other important capabilities. So, learning effective DAX formulas will help us to get more output from our data. So, this is the main reason behind the study of DAX formulas in Power BI. So, let's start. I have sample data file with me. Click on Get Data, Excel workbook, select the sheet, date, and transform data. Here you can see employee name, date of joining, last working day, date of birth. These are the columns. First is a text data type, and the second, third, and fourth column is date data type. So we apply, close and apply. Now here you can see date of birth, date of joining, and last working day is of date data type. You can see this symbol here, which help us to guide. This is the date data type. This symbol here in data view, you can see the data view, and this is the report view, and this is the model view. We have only one table in the model view. So we start with data view. Here in table tools, you can find new measure, quick measure, new column, new table. So when we use DAX formulas, we have to start with new column. Just click on new column. It's create a new column, and here we have to put our formulas or DAX functions to create column in our dataset. So first we start with date function. So here in I'm going to consider date of joining column here, and I'm want to find date number from the date of joining column. So we have ready-made function day here, and then you have to select column name. Here you can find this is date of joining, so this is the column name, and date is the name of the sheet, and dot date bracket complete, and Press enter. So here we got the result as per the date of joining 28th May 2021, the 20th day of the month of that particular date. Similarly, 12th day of the February month, that is 12th February 2019. So these functions are also available in Excel. You can find these functions in Power Query. Ready-made functions are there. But for our knowledge purpose, we are also learning these functions in DAX, and these functions also available in M language. So next is I want to find month number. So again, now you can click on new column here. You can give any name to the column as per your convenience. Is equal to second function month month, select column date of joining dot date bracket complete. Press enter key. Now you can see we are working on date of joining. So month number is 5, May is the 5th month of the year, February is the 2nd month of the year, January is the first month of the year, June is 6th month of the year. So we have successfully find month number in date of joining. New column. Next is quarter number. Quarter number is equal to, we have ready-made quarter function. Again select column and sheet name dot date bracket complete. Press enter key. So May is the second quarter. February and January, these months are in first quarter of the year. So in US particularly, quarter start with the January. So first quarter is January, February, March. Second is April, May, June. Third, July, August, September, and last October, November, December, fourth quarter. So we are successfully, you can see October, the fourth quarter, December, fourth quarter. We can easily find quarter number using this DAX function. Next is, again you have to click on new column. Suppose I am going to find year. So ready-made year function is also available here. You have to just put column name, date of joining, dot date is equal. So here we have successfully fetch year from our date of joining. You can see. Here we again find date number, but this time we are not going to use the function day to find the number. So there is another one option. Suppose I write date of joining, and here if I select dot day and click on enter button, so you can see it gives similar result as this column. Both columns are giving same result, but the formula is different. Here we use day function, but here there is not any compulsion to use the day function every time. So this is the another way to find the day from our date. Next, new column, date of joining dot month number, enter. So it not accept same name for second, duplicate names for columns. So we have to give this name and just click on enter button. Now you can see this is month number and this is month number 1. Both are identical columns. Same result we got with different formulas. Here we use month function, and here we directly apply DAX formula here. We not use any function here. Click on new column. Here 1 is the naming of the next column, equal to date of joining, and then select dot here. Press enter key. So year and year 1 both are identical columns, both are same. Only the way of finding the column or generate the new column from our database is different. Here in first year column we use year function, and in second year 1 column we not use year function. Click on new column. Suppose I want to find month name here, equal to date of joining and month dot month. Click enter. It gives month name. Basically it is extract the information from our date which was selected during the writing the DAX function. When we use this function, you can see these functions dot date, dot day, dot month. So it fetch, when we use a month, it fetch month name. When we use dot day, it fetch day of the month. Dot month, for dot month number, it gives month number. That is for January first month, February second month. So this is the use of this function. Similarly, quarter number and year. So here we are using month name here. So we have to select dot month. So similarly, I think quarter number and quarter is remaining for this function. New column, select quarter is 1 is equal to date of joining. This is our column dot quarter equal to, it shows quarter 1, quarter 2, 3 something. Similarly it gives quarter number also. Quarter 2 is equal to, this is a column name, main column name, date of joining dot quarter. So you can see here the difference between quarter and quarter number. By mistakenly I have select quarter, it's quarter number. So it shows quarter only numbers, and when we select quarter number it shows numbers, and for quarter it shows in word form. New column, we have cover year function, quarter function, month. Yes, yeah, we almost cover all the functions here. These are the DAX functions. We start with the date data type. So to practice for these DAX functions at least 10 to 15 times, we will cover this DAX function in the next video. Please follow my channel Jobs at Punyanagari, like videos and comment on it. Thank you.